Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to get sushi quickly in Brawl Stars. To start, prioritize game modes like Brawl Ball or Gem Grab, as they offer consistent opportunities for quick sushi. Next, choose brawlers known for their speed or fast attack patterns, such as Max or Leon, to navigate the map efficiently. Always focus on the main objectives, like scoring goals or collecting gems, as these actions directly reward you with sushi. For optimal sushi farming, Brawl Ball is excellent because scoring goals quickly adds to your total. Gem Grab also offers steady sushi as you collect and hold gems throughout the match. When selecting your brawler, consider those with high mobility or burst damage. Brawlers such as Crow or Edgar can swiftly take down enemies, clearing the path for you to grab more sushi. To maximize your sushi gains, always aim to control the center of the map. This gives you better access to objectives and allows for quicker rotations. Use your brawler's super ability strategically. A well-timed super can secure crucial eliminations or help you push forward rapidly. Remember, Brawl Stars is a team game, so coordinate with your teammates to efficiently collect sushi and achieve victory. To truly master sushi acquisition, consistent practice is key. The more you play, the better your reflexes and game sense will become, leading to faster sushi gains. Also, watching professional Brawl Stars players can reveal advanced tactics and strategies you might not have considered. They often demonstrate efficient ways to control the map and secure objectives. And hey, while you're improving your game, why not also improve your financial outlook? Check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.